This video covers mandatory safety objectives for drone flight operations. Remember, any incident causing bodily injury or over $500 in property damage is FAA reportable. You are responsible for knowing your area maps and planning flights accordingly. Safety begins with awareness. At 10 miles per hour, your drone needs 10 feet to stop. At 30 miles per hour, that distance triples. Always maintain focus and keep your fingers on the joystick. Practice in open, clear spaces. Our flight logs show 9 physical contact events, ranging from tree entanglements to structural impacts. These incidents highlight recurring patterns of pilot error and environmental hazards that require your immediate attention and review. Photo of green strobe and drone in the tree at 36 feet. Flight data log analysis indicates when the impact occurs and notes the shocks, impacts. Height and time, along with diagnostic information. High recoveries present significant physical risks to personnel and equipment. Professional intervention may be required, so please prioritize safety over equipment retrieval if the situation is hazardous. Structural integrity is non-negotiable. Our assessments reveal significant wear and damage from environmental strikes. Equipment requires thorough diagnostic checks and potential rebuilding before being cleared for future operations. Root cause analysis identifies insufficient standoff margins as the primary driver of physical contact. During uncommanded flyaways, active manual stick override is the most effective method for neutralizing drift and preventing accidents. More standoff and the incidents would have been avoided. You need to plan your flight path. Based on your county and the maps that show high structures and electric high voltage is essential. When operating in Baltimore County, adhere strictly to established flight envelopes. Maintain the required vertical safety margins above mature trees and power lines, following all local regulations and safety mandates. The graphic shows the red line as high voltage, MD Public Television over 900 feet, and another tower at 465 feet. Standardized procedures are now in effect. Always set your return to home altitude to 200 feet or higher based on your area map. Maintain a transit floor and deploy a visual observer when operating at low altitudes. Finally, ensure all incident reports are complete. This includes uploading telemetry, preserving visual evidence, and recording a detailed narrative. Consistent logging is vital for maintaining a high-fidelity safety record.